Hello, welcome. I'll be answering chemistry past questions and answer theory 2018. Question number 1b. Name two factors which determine the choice of an indicator for an acid-base titration. Now to the answers. Adding the indicator in titration helps in determining the endpoints of reaction by color change. For example, adding methyl orange to a base gives yellow color, and at the end point of titration gives purple coloration, which shows the end point of such reactions. Now to the factors that determine the choice of an indicator. Number 1, the strength of acid to base in form must be considered. For example, strong acid versus strong base. The indicator used here is any suitable indicator, be it methyl orange, phenolphthalein, methyl red, and others. Then strong acid versus weak base. The indicator used here is methyl orange. Now the number 2 factors that determine the choice of an indicator in an acid-base titration is the color change of the titration must be the color change of the indicator must be sharp. Now let us see these reactions. The two factors that determines the choice of indicator. Number 1 is the strength of acid to base involved must be considered. The strength of acid to base in form must be considered. Number 2, the color change of the indicator must be sharp. The color change of indicator must be sharp. Now, in explanation of the first factors, the strength of acid to base in form must be considered. For example, strong acid with strong base. The indicator used is any suitable indicator. E.g., methyl orange, methyl red, and others. Now for number 2, the color change of an indicator must be sharp. Adding the indicator in titration helps in determining the end point of the reaction by color change. So the color change of the indicator must be very sharp so as to indicate the end point of the reactions. Thank you. If you like this piece, click like and subscribe. God bless you.